Hi everybody. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the next cell organelle, that is lysosome. Lysosome. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are system of waste disposal. Lysosomes are a system of waste disposal in the cell. In the cell, they act as cleaning organelles. So lysosomes are a system of waste disposal. And they are also known as cleaning organelle of a cell. Cleaning organelle. They clean the cell. And lysosome was first discovered by Christian D. Dewey. It was discovered by Christian D. Dewey. Lysosome, their number varies based on the function they perform, based on the activity they perform. So lysosomes, they are found more in the activity involved in intracellular digestive activity. So which all organelles are involved in which all cells are involved in intracellular digestive activity? They are WBC. So WBCs and phagocytes. So WBCs and phagocytes, they have more number of lysosomes. WBC are the cells, phagocytes are also the cells, and the organelle is what? Lysosome. So lysosome, they vary in number, based on the functions. So WBC, they have more number of lysosomes, and phagocytes, they have more number of lysosomes. Next, their shape. They are invariably spherical. Their shape, if we see, they are invariably spherical. Invariably spherical in shape. Lysosome is invariably spherical, and they have outer membrane. And they have a substance. Inside. It is known as matrix. So this matrix is filled with enzymes. So what is the function of enzymes? Enzymes function is to clean the cell. That means whatever foreign particles or their own cells, if they are behaving indifferently, they will recognize it as foreign particle and they will clean it out or remove it out. So that's why they are also known as suicidal bags. suicidal bags. Okay, lysosomes. Okay, where they are found? Lysosomes are found in all the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells like fungi, protist, and mammalian RBC cells. Also, they are found in. Okay, let me write. Lysosomes, where they are found? They are found in all the eukaryotes, all the eukaryotic cells, all the eukaryotic cells, all the eukaryotic cells. Okay, except there are some of the cells that do not possess lysosome, though they are eukaryotic cells, except like protist like Euglena, they do not have lysosome, though they are eukaryotic cells. And organisms like some of the organisms like fungi, okay, they do not have eukaryotic. Fungi like yeast, they do not have lysosome. Okay, and meristematic cells, they do not possess lysosome. Meristematic cells, where they are found? They are found at the growing tips of the root and shoot of the plant. Growing tips. Okay, that's why they are known as meristematic cells. Okay, so in this they do not have lysosome. Next, mammalian mature RBC, red blood cells, they too do not have lysosomes. Okay, all the eukaryotic cells, they have lysosomes, exception Euglena, which is protist, and fungi like yeast, and meristematic cells and mammalian mature RBC. Only this is the exception, they do not have lysosome. Okay, though they are under eukaryotic cells. Okay, as I told you, lysosome, they are spherical in shape. Okay, rarely irregular in shape, rarely. That's why they are invariably spherical. They have the substance inside it. They have substance known as matrix, and outside they have a membrane. That's why lysosome is membrane bound organelle. Okay, so based on the presence of matrix, okay, lysosomes are of four types. They are of four types. First, primary lysosomes. Then secondary lysosomes, and tertiary lysosomes. And the fourth one is autolysosomes, or it is also known as autophagosomes. phagosomes. Okay, primary lysosomes, okay, they are usually inactive. They are usually inactive in condition. Secondary lysosome, they are active. Okay, they are active. Tertiary lysosome. Tertiary lysosome are also known as residual lysosomes. Residual lysosomes. That means, okay, lysosome would involve in digestion and it will involve in digestion of the food that is taken by endocytosis, and it would digest, and from the digested food it would supply to all parts of the cytoplasm, and if it is not absorbed, the undigested food particles may come out by exocytosis. So undigested food particles is known as what? Residual substance. So tertiary lysosome, they help in removing the residual parts of the cell, okay. And next is autolysosome or autophagosome. Auto means what? Self. Okay, if a cell misbehaves, or else if the cell organelle is disturbed, in that condition what happens? This enzyme lysosome would recognize the organelle and it will destroy it. That's why they are known as autolysosomes or autophagosomes. Okay, so if the organelles, for example, in this, if mitochondria is injured, this autophagosome would recognize it and destroy it. That's why, since mitochondria was its own cell organelle, that's why it will recognize it as this mitochondria is foreign organelle or foreign particle, and it will destroy. That's why autolysosome or autophagosome. Okay, autophagosome. Okay, now to understand better primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, and tertiary lysosome, autolysosome, let me explain you by taking a unicellular organism, amoeba. Amoeba doesn't have a definite shape. Okay, so this is amoeba. Okay, amoeba engulfs the food. Now food is present near the surface of amoeba, near to the amoeba. Now, sensing the food, amoeba would extend its cytoplasmic extension or the pseudopodia. Now, these food particles, they get inside the amoeba, So, by a process known as endocytosis. Now, this food will enter inside. Now, this food is inside the amoeba. Inside the amoeba, there is also what? Primary lysosomes present. This is primary lysosomes. They are present and they are in active condition. Now, the food is accompanied for digestion by the secondary lysosome. The primary lysosome, when it comes in contact with the food vacuole, food vacuole. Now it forms what? Secondary lysosome. Secondary lysosome. Now this food gets digested. They get digested by the help of the active secondary lysosome, and if there are undigested particles of the food, they would be removed. They would be removed by the help of the residual enzyme. The residual enzyme. Okay, outside the cell of amoeba. Okay, so this is exocytosis. Exocytosis. Endocytosis means taking in of food. Exocytosis means undigested food is removed from the cell of the amoeba. Cell of a